Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is this brand new 22 plate Audi A5, and what we've installed on this vehicle is a Starline M66 smart security system. Now the way this system works, you need to have a tag with you. If you don't have this tag with you, and the thief were to open your door and let's say they copy your key frequency and they unlock your car and they get in and then they try and start the car, as you can see, the car will not start. Press the start button, the car is fully immobilized, so you cannot start the car without a special tag, which I'll show you afterwards. And what's going to happen, it's linked to your phone, so it's going to call you on your phone and you can hear it say
alarm in alarm system mode, ignition is on.
So it's letting you know someone's trying to start the car and they've turned the car on and the ignition has been turned on. So you need to have a special tag with you, which I'll bring in 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the tag you need with you. If you don't have this tag with you, the car will not start. This is your authorization tag to allow you to start the vehicle. So now that I got with me, I'm able to start the car. Additionally, you get a smartphone app with this system that you're able to full track your vehicle. It's got a tracker built in, and you can put it into various modes as well using commands, such as the anti-hijack mode if someone were to steal the tag as well. You can remote immobilize the vehicle. Yeah, it gives you a full status of the vehicle and stuff like battery voltage, obviously vehicle dependent. Yeah, if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, RG26QA. Thank you.